Oh my god, look at this price, 76%, 143%, 20. Now let's understand what is staking, what are its advantages, what are the risks involved in it, how can you stake it, and finally we'll have a demo on how to start staking on Binance exchange. Staking is a process in which you deposit your crypto into a blockchain and earn interest on it in form of more cryptos. Now the reason your crypto earns more rewards is because the blockchain puts those cryptocurrencies to work and perform transactions. Now it's available with cryptocurrencies that use proof of stake as payments such as Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Matic, Tron and many more. Now this is more energy efficient alternative to the original proof of work model that incurs enormous expenditure of energy. That's why Vitalik Buterin, founder of Ethereum currency, is processing the ETH 2.0, which is layer 2, that uses proof of stake. Proof of work requires lot of mining that uses computing power to solve mathematical equations such as our very own and shown Bitcoin. Now talking about rewards, many long-term investors think this as generating income from their assets, so that their assets are generating more rewards and in form of cryptos, and their cryptos are not holding dust in their wallet. Staking has added the benefit of contributing to security and efficiency of blockchain projects that you support. By staking some of your funds, you make the blockchain more resistant to attacks by hackers and strengthen its ability to process transactions. Isn't it awesome that you're also contributing to the growth of technology and also generating passive income by staking your cryptocurrencies? Instead, your cryptocurrency is hanging there in wallet, doing nothing, just waiting for the charts to grow and the capital to appreciate. Okay, so these are good stuff. Let's look at the risk now which are involved in it. Staking often requires a lockup or vesting period whereby your cryptocurrencies are locked for particular days, and in those particular days your interest is generated. So you can't withdraw your cryptocurrencies during that particular phase of period. Before staking, it is also important to check the requirements that when and how your cryptocurrencies will be locked and when they can be redeemed and how much interest is generated in that particular amount of period. Also, the prices of cryptocurrencies, they change day to day. So the quantity rewarded will be the same, but the price of rewards will fluctuate over time because the prices of cryptos are increasing. So the price of rewards will go up. And meanwhile, if the cryptocurrencies are going down, the prices of rewards will also go down. But the quantity of rewards that you generate are the same. There's a simple way to participate. Exchanges like Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, you can contribute to an amount which you can afford to a staking pool. So this lowers the barriers to entry to the participants who wants to earn more rewards, and they don't have to be a full-time validator. So let's understand this practically. Here I am on my Binance account, and then I click on earn and go to Binance earn. So once Binance earn is loaded, once the page gets loaded, you have all the cryptos and their estimated interest and the duration in which your cryptos gets locked. So for Axie Infinity, if you are looking at locked staking, it is 120.69% per annum, and that is locked for 90 days. So once you have Axie Infinity in your Binance or WazirX account, if you have it in WazirX account, you can transfer that crypto from WazirX to Binance, and then once it's there in Spot Wallet, you can just click on stake and confirm with transactions and hit confirm. So it will give you your estimated interest to generate enough rewards, and once those rewards are generated, reinvest them at a particular interest, and this is how your interest goes, and this is how compounding works. Now if you want to check out my compounding video, I'll put it here to check it out if you want to know more about compounding. Then my name is Vishal Krishnani. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next.